Mark Zuckerberg just announced Meta is investing hundreds of billions of dollars to build superintelligence. That is AI that could one day outperform humans at everything. And he's calling it the most talent-dense team in the industry. He's building AI superclusters so massive they can take up the size of Manhattan. And one of them is actually already named Prometheus, which is coming online in 2026. And in my opinion, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a moonshot. And it could completely reshape the future of AI, Meta, and the entire world. So here's exactly what Mark Zuckerberg posted on Threads on Facebook just a few days ago. So he said, for our superintelligence efforts, I'm focused on building the most elite and talent-dense team in the industry. We are also going to invest hundreds of billions of dollars into compute to build superintelligence. We have the capital from our business to do so. Semi-Analysis just reported that Meta is on track to be the first lab to bring a 1 gigawatt supercluster online. And we are actually building several multi-GW clusters. We are calling the first one Prometheus, and it's coming online in 2026. We are also building Hyperon, which will be able to scale up to 50 GW over several years. And we are building multiple more Titan clusters as well. Just one of these covers a significant part of the footprint of Manhattan. And Meta Superintelligence Lab would have industry-leading levels of compute and by far the greatest compute per researcher. I'm looking forward to working with the top researchers to advance this frontier. So this is exactly what Mark Zuckerberg posted on Facebook and on Threads, okay? So let's just unpack what all of this actually means. Let's start with superintelligence. So superintelligence is a term often used to describe artificial intelligence that's better than humans at nearly all intellectual tasks. So Meta isn't just trying to catch up with OpenAI or Google, they are just going after AGI straight up. And the investments, not just millions, not even tens of billions. Zuckerberg says that hundreds of billions will be poured into compute, the GPUs, the TPUs, the data centers, and electricity needed to train the world dominating models. And also let's talk about the infrastructure. So he's talking about multi-gigawatt AI clusters. So for perspective, 1 gigawatt powers an entire city, and Meta's Hyperon clusters could scale up to 5 gigawatts. That's 5 cities worth of power just for AI. Now, these aren't regular server farms. These are AI superclusters, so purpose-built to run trillion parameter models at scale. And Meta isn't just throwing money at hardware, they are also going after people. So Mark Zuckerberg says that he's building the most elite and talent-dense team in the industry. And we are already seeing this, okay? Meta is poaching top researchers from OpenAI, Google DeepMind, Anthropic, and more. And some reports suggest offers in the 9-figure range. Yes, that's like 100 million plus in retention packages for top AI minds. Former GitHub CEO Nat Friedman and Scale AI founder Alexander Wang are involved, and they are bringing deep technical operational chops to the project. Let me talk a bit about this Twitter post I saw a few days ago with regards to the hiring spree going on at Meta just to get like the best talents in AI, okay? So this post on Twitter is from Amit. Amit is investing, and really what it says is that Meta is hiring Rumin Pang, one of the leaders at Apple's AI models team, as per Bloomberg, and the package is rumored to be around $200 million, and Apple did not try to match the offer as it exceeds the amount paid to any executive at the company, including Apple's own CEO Tim Cook. So Cook is paid about $74.6 million a year, and Zach wants superintelligence and is willing to pay anything for it. So this is just one of the posts going on Twitter with regards to Meta's commitment and dedication to hiring the best AI talents out there. I also did see another report online about Meta's commitment to hiring the best of AI talents, and I'm going to show this as well on the screen. So the article reads, Meta has 4 more OpenAI researchers, the information report, and it goes on to also mention and cite 4 other researchers that were hired by Meta again this week from the OpenAI Zurich's office, and this was reported by the Wall Street Journal. So this goes to show that Meta is really committed to like superintelligence, and they are going to do anything they have to do. If they can't buy OpenAI, or if they can't buy any of these like trending AI startups, then what they are going to do is basically invest all their efforts in getting the best talents to help them build superintelligence the way they want it to be built. So here's the kicker, okay? Meta claims it will provide more compute per research than any other lab in the world. That means that less time waiting for models to train and more time pushing the boundaries for what's possible. So I'm sure you're wondering why you think Meta is doing this. And here are my thoughts, okay? I think Meta has to do this, okay? They've been behind in the AI race, to be honest. OpenAI has ChatGPT that everyone knows about. Google has Gemini, Anthropic has Claude, and Meta's own Llama models, they've actually not been that groundbreaking, to be honest. Zuckerberg knows that if Meta wants to own the next era of tech, whether that's in art, social media, AR, VR, they need core AI leadership. And with Meta's business still printing cash from Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp, they actually can afford to go all in. And I actually think this move has a massive implication, and not just for Meta, but for all of us. The first one has to do with like the AI arms race just got nuclear. So if Meta really follows through with their hundreds of billions of dollars it's spending, rivals would also respond, okay? And this could accelerate the entire field or fracture it further. Now, the second one has to do with like talent consolidation. So if Meta scoots up the top minds, what happens to the smaller labs, the startups, or the academic research teams? Will AI progress, become centralized in just a few corporate hands? We don't know, okay? And then the third one has to do with regulations will follow. So massive clusters the size of Manhattan, consuming gigawatts of power. Well, expect that the governments are going to start asking questions. They're going to be asking questions about energy use, environmental impact, and AI safety in general. Now, the fourth one is it could even change the internet forever. So if Meta succeeds, we may see AI woven into every product they offer. So let's talk personalized new feeds powered by AGI, AI agents answering messages across WhatsApp and messengers, smart glasses with real-time assistance trained on world-class models. And this isn't just a research effort, it's business survival and future dominance rolled into one. So here's a big takeaway from all of this. Meta isn't just playing in the AI race anymore. They are trying to redefine the game. So with the world's best AI clusters, the deepest talent pools, and the most aggressive investors and the most aggressive investment we've ever seen in this space, Meta is making one thing clear. They want to be the first to build superintelligence. And now the question is, will it work or will it fail? And what happens if this actually works? What happens if they actually succeed with building superintelligence? What does this mean to everybody and the entire world? Now, let me know if you found this breakdown helpful. Then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, drop your thoughts below. Do you think that Meta is going too far, or is this exactly the kind of vision we need for AI? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.